For centuries, an ancient formula has been whispered through generations, cherished by those who knew its power. A simple blend of everyday ingredients, this remedy promises to restore energy and strength in ways you wouldn't expect. Passed down from a time long ago, it has survived the test of time, proving its effectiveness again and again. What makes this remedy stand out is its simplicity, just a handful of ingredients found in most kitchens. Yet, when combined in a precise way, they create something extraordinary. This isn't just a recipe, it's a piece of history. A link to a past where natural ingredients held the key to health and vitality. Could something so simple really make a difference? The answer lies in the results. Men who have used this formula speak of renewed energy, improved strength, and a vitality they thought was lost forever. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance your strength and energy, keep reading. The solution might be easier than you think. This remedy is a 500-year-old traditional formula believed to enhance male strength and vitality. It combines natural ingredients that are rich in essential nutrients. The preparation is simple, yet the results can be remarkable. Ingredients: for bananas, for dates, 2 tablespoons of roasted chickpea powder, 1 cup of milk, sugar to taste. Now start by peeling the bananas and removing the pits from the dates. Add the bananas, dates, roasted chickpea powder, and milk into a blender. Blend the ingredients until a smooth, thick juice is formed. Add sugar according to your taste and blend for a few more seconds to ensure it is fully dissolved. Pour the juice into a glass and consume it once a day. This ancient remedy is packed with ingredients known for their numerous health benefits. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamins, and minerals that support energy production and muscle function. They also help in improving blood circulation, which can enhance physical performance. Dates are a great source of natural sugars, providing an instant energy boost. They are also rich in essential minerals like magnesium, which is known to support overall male health. Roast chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, which can aid in building muscle mass and improving digestion. They also contain iron, which is crucial for maintaining healthy energy levels. Milk provides calcium and vitamin D, which are vital for bone health. It also contains protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. While sugar is optional, it adds a sweet taste to the juice and provides an additional energy boost. This 500-year-old remedy is a natural and effective way to combat male weakness. With regular use, it may help in boosting energy levels, improving physical strength, and enhancing overall vitality.